Today, we're going to explore how to disable automatic photo downloads on WhatsApp while using it on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that the application is launched and ready for you to access the settings. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. This is where you can find various options to customize your WhatsApp settings. Within the Settings menu, click on Chats, and then select Media Auto Download. This section allows you to control how media files are automatically downloaded on WhatsApp. Now, locate the box labeled Photos and uncheck it. By doing this, you will disable the automatic download of photos on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your photo auto-download settings on WhatsApp and tailor your experience to suit your preferences. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your messaging experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in helping you customize your photo download settings on WhatsApp. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Enjoy chatting on WhatsApp without having photos automatically downloaded on your PC.